Hey guys, this here is another super duper tutorial, and I can't tell you how many requests I've got that I've received on how to play a YouTube video. And I figured, well, maybe one of the best things to do is just to create a little simple tutorial for you. It's very easy. So if you just open up a browser, and then in the browser at the top, if you just go to, I'll just type it in again. I'm going to type in three W's, so www, and then I put a period. So let's do that again, okay? Just so you know, go www, put a period, and then you're going to type in YouTube. Y-O-U. It's already up there, but I just wanted to show you to type the letters in separately. So it's easy to understand. So let's start again. Whoops. Accidentally. If you accidentally put something in there like a equal sign, just back up. Use the backspace. There you go. Put that. Can get rid of it. So let's do three W's again, which actually is interesting. It stands for World Wide Web. www. So if you just think of World Wide Web, that should help you to be able to know, hey, okay, world starts with a W, so there's one. Wide, that also starts with a W, so put another W. Web starts with a W, put a W in. And then put a dot, you have to put a dot, okay? So one more time on this, all right? We haven't even gotten to the site yet, but I'm just showing you what to first put in. So I need backspace. I'm using, before it was this, and I'm just using the backspace to get rid of that up there. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, just keep going till it all is gone. Okay, so W, which stands for world. Another W, which stands for wide. Another W, which stands for web. Wide World Web. Then a period. Okay, now if I'm going too fast, just stop the video, rewind it a little bit, and watch it again till you understand. So there's no problems, okay? You need to be able to do this, because if you type this in wrong, it ain't gonna work. So one more time, all right? W for world, W for wide, W for web, then period. That period is a dot. Now, the period and the comma look alike. So I'm going to actually, let me back up. I want to show you something here. There's a period. See that up there? And there is a comma. They almost look the same, but they're different. So the period is on the, I don't know, the button with the arrow pointing to the right or something. Anyway, let's keep going. This is going to be cool. So doing www dot, and I'm going to spell it YouTube, no spaces. So YOUTOOB. Wait, that's not how you spell that. Hold on. Okay, back up again right here to the, where the, I'll start again. Okay, www dot YOUTUBE. Then need another dot, and then put COM, which stands for, I don't know, company. So COM, short for company. And then just press the enter key, or don't push any key, you have to push the enter key. Okay. Okay, now, so then YouTube shows up, and it puts some, some videos that they recommend that you watch, and you can find whatever one you want. What's this guy doing? Giving a shot for COVID? Anyway, so here's some things that you might want to watch if you want to watch them. To watch the actual video, just put your mouse over the video, like here, like I have it here, and click.
Oh my God!
Whoops! What's
Right
he doing?
away.
Make a pizza, mamma mia. Okay, so I'm going to back up. I push the back button up here. So yeah, so you can just click on the video and it'll start to play. All right. And if you want to find a different video, just come up here to the search button or search thing here. Click in it with your pointing device and just click in there. And you can just type whatever you want. How about how to watch a YouTube video on YouTube? Ignore all these others. This is what you want to be able to do. I'm sure there's quite a bit. So let's just do this and we'll press return. And let's see what options we have. How to watch YouTube video online. Look at that. Pretty cool, huh? Looked like somebody beat me to it 9 years ago. So my video is old news. That's nice. Here's one, how to watch a YouTube video. How to find and watch deleted YouTube videos. I don't know why you'd want to do that, but anywho's, go ahead. This other stuff, yeah, ignore all the rest. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this little tutorial. Hope it was helpful. And I don't know, I probably received, 500 requests on how to watch a video. Seems weird because the only way you'd be able to learn how to do that is if you were already watching this video from YouTube. So why would you need a video on how to watch a video? I don't get it. Anyway, well, I'm sure it'll be useful to somebody. Okay, that's it. Enjoy. Click and subscribe. More to come. Quality videos from YouTube, from my channel.